Olivia with a tasty treat, ladies.
Yes. Do you know how happy I am? I love being on Live at 5 at 4, love hanging out with Miss Olivia, and I love everything she makes. And we have something that is going to be so perfect for Memorial Day weekend and the summer, just the summer.
Yes.
This is a watermelon smoothie.
Yes.
Oh, do tell. Do tell.
My way.
Your way. The best way, right?
I froze the watermelon, and it was a beautiful watermelon. I froze the banana, and I'm using full fat vanilla yogurt.
Make note of that, full fat. We're not, none of this low fat,
No,
fat
no,
stuff.
you can, if you're going to do smoothies on a daily basis, then okay, put kale in them.
But we're not going to do that.
But if you're just going to have something nice and refreshing and cold and celebrating the holiday,
Why not?
why not?
And treat yourself. Okay, so you've got the watermelon,
Banana
frozen, your full fat, full fun yogurt, vanilla.
And, yes, and to encourage the blender,
Okay, need a little liquid.
half and half.
Why not? Why not?
Well, why
This
not?
looks-
Now let's see if it encouraged it enough.
That will do it. That little tug right there will do it. But it's simple. It's
Well,
simple and easy, and it almost could be like a substitute for ice cream.
Yes,
You know, if
yes,
you wanted
or
to-
a milkshake. And watermelon is a very nearly perfect food.
It's refreshing.
Yes.
It's filling.
Yes.
Is this the time of year for watermelons? Are we starting to see them?
I'm
come
seeing,
and be
well,
good?
I was leery of buying one in May,
Right.
but
And you said it was great.
it's beautiful. There was not a green spot, there was not a mushy spot. It was just really the nicest watermelon I may have seen in years.
Wow.
Can you have a taste, or will you have to wait?
I will definitely have a taste. I will never ever pass up Miss Olivia's.
I've heard that
anything.
it's quite delicious.
It is more than quite. This is
Good,
delicious. This is so
good,
good. I
good.
wish you could sample, but you can. Just follow the recipes. from
Get a
Miss Olivia.
seedless watermelon, save yourself some grief.
Yeah. That wouldn't be fun picking that out of your teeth. But no, this is fantastic. And as always, pour yourself one. Kevin, you want one?
Well, I'm going to pass this on to Kevin and whoever wants. Look at that child.
Leslie, you come on.
There
now.
she
You need
is.
this.
Eating for two.
Absolutely. Okay.
I
that's
put
how
more
good it
in
is.
yours.
Well, Miss Olivia, thank you as always. We appreciate it.
Well, thank
And,
you, my darling. This is a special treat to get to be on with you.
Well, it's always a treat to be
I
with
miss
you.
being on with you and the youngins, though.
That's throwing it way back, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Well, thank you. And once again, Miss Olivia's Table in Maryville, always a great place to go and enjoy.